Hey guys, back again here with another video. This is gonna be a little tutorial on how to dismantle these HP Elitedesks in case you need to do upgrades or just need to do some maintenance on it. I picked this one up around 150 bucks. It's running a 8th gen Intel Core i5, and it actually has a VGA port, which is a very uncommon thing to have on these machines. This particular unit has 2 display ports, 4 USB 3.0 ports it looks like. It does have Wi-Fi according to the listing, but I don't see the antenna for it. But we'll check that out here shortly, and a gigabit LAN. It's very easy to get into these guys. Right here, all you have to do is just undo this thumb screw, and then just basically slide the entire faceplate forward, and it comes up. So this particular guy right here, see, it's very dense as a unit. So let's start dismantling it. So what we're gonna do, let's see here. So 1, 2. Looks like it's just 2 screws that are holding this one down. So this particular one is a Torx, let's see here, T15H. There. So you slide it that way. And it looks like it does have a fan here that we need to undo. Just move this out of the way. Alrighty. Wow, this one's actually pretty loaded little unit. So looks like it has an M.2. Let me disconnect. Alrighty. So 2 M.2 slots right here, and then you also have your Wi-Fi, but not pre-installed. But they did run at least the antennas to it. Let's see, this is a NVMe 256 gig. Alrighty, so we got that taken apart. Now let's work on the rest. So that is 1, 2, 3 screws it looks like. Go. There we go. HP. Alrighty, so 1 screw holds this fan down. It's not even held down. They're just kind of sitting there. That's just for the heatsink. Okay. So here is your access to your RAM. Yeah, so this one's got 16 gigs of RAM. I'll post somewhere here what the actual maximum of this one is. This is the, I believe the Elitedesk G4800, if I'm not mistaken. I'll put the model number in the actual title. So let's take the heatsink off. Guys, gonna lift like that. Alrighty, the thermal paste is fairly fresh. This is a refurbished unit, so they did apply the thermal paste properly. And then the chip again in this one is the 8500, I believe. But it's the T series, the low power one. Since these guys just don't have a lot of power to pull, they have to do mobile chips. So what I'm gonna do as well in a follow-up video, I'm gonna compare these units to like the latest Nook style with the N100s or N97 chipsets, just to see if you're actually getting a better value getting these style machines versus the other ones. It's a dense heatsink. But yeah, that is pretty much it. That's gonna wrap up this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And stay tuned for follow-up videos. Thanks. Peace.